Hey, Merry Christmas from EAS. We're going to do the 12 days of Christmas today. So it's a huge workout. It's really tough. It's difficult, and it kind of shows the grit and determination that we at EAS, champion here. And so we're going to be doing a set just like the song, right from 1 all the way to 12 and back up. It's 365 reps, all barbell work. It's really difficult and it's tough, and we're happy to have the clients and staff do it.
Drop, pull. This is easy, y'all. Hard. But it's good. It'll feel good when it's done, but it's not easy. It's not supposed to be easy. Rock and roll.
I mean, like a lot of the things that I was chasing with my drug use, I can find when I work out. I mean, like the effort that it takes, it's much more valuable than, a line or a pill or whatever. It's worth doing, and it makes you value recovery a lot more, I think.
It's a huge part of my recovery. Personally, I feel like it definitely helps me get a lot of anxiety and stuff away, which was one of the main reasons why I would drink and use. So I think it's really beneficial to boost endorphins and dopamine, stuff like that.
It's a pinnacle of my recovery. It gives me such a great sense of mental strength and willpower when I put my mind to something, and that discipline that I show when I follow through in doing it.
It's some of my top priorities. I always try to prioritize towards my physical health, which leads into my mental health and leads into a general healthy lifestyle. So I do find it very important for fitness. CrossFit just happened to be the way I go.
We're going to say something together. Bill, what are we saying on 3?
Togetherness.
Togetherness on 3. 1, 2, 3.